see if he can open that door. He's had the hands on the trigger, right?
Yep.
And this back one is the same thing, just in case, you know, I've already taken it all out. Look at that. Look at that. So what did you hit? Tell the whole public, you're the first one who's actually, I have a video here that actually opened it up.
Okay.
Alright, so now go ahead and explain it. Alright, let me go ahead and get the video right around because it's still rolling from when you just opened it. Alright, go ahead.
Let me see the little handle. Where's the handle at?
The handle's right here. Okay, hold on a second. Here's the handle with the screws and everything.
Alright.
So if you need to get your van open and you got no way to open it, this is how you do it, sir. You got to remove your...
You see that one pushes, okay?
Okay.
The one that we went to, I found a little hole by reaching up through here. See the finger?
Right.
Push up the lock. Make sure it's unlocked.
Right.
And as you reach in, you will find an apparatus like this.
All right.
Your finger will stick in it. You'll reach around with the hook and pull it.
Okay.
And when you pull that, the door will come open.
All right. Huh. But you have to have both your hand inside and that hook that you have in your hand at the same time.
You got it with one hand and you hook it with the other.
I got you.
And so-
I'm gonna have to give that a try so I learn how to open it. But
okay, now since the way this one there is designed, it's turned this way in the door. This piece, everything is like that.
I got you.
Now, when you push this piece in, you feel it with your finger, then you'll reach around right there and put your hook here. And when you pull that hook, it'll undo. And the way you know you got it is your finger is strong enough to pull it, but it ain't strong enough to give it a complete pull and release. It's forced to wire.
That's why you needed that wire to help you. Hold on.
Okay,
All right. Now we're on the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and stop this one. And we'll start on the other side.
Okay, now.
Let me get back from the inside. Yeah, baby. All right, I'll help you in a minute then. I'm trying to get the van open.
What she need? Go ahead and take care of her, because this one will take